Well, the agriculture industry is a huge driver of Florida's economy, but like most, it too is not immune to COVID-19.
Over the past month, the dairy industry has suffered immeasurable losses. News 13's Faith Graham spoke with a local dairy farmer and small business owner to learn how the pandemic is impacting farmers right here in the Panhandle.
Dale Eade owns Sindale Farms and Southern Craft Creamery in Mariana, two businesses that greatly contribute to the local economy and the community's refrigerators.
The thing that sets us apart a little bit from most other businesses, as well as most other agriculture, is our product is so perishable.
Since the pandemic first broke out, the dairy industry has lost their biggest customer, food services, and with no one to buy their milk, farmers are forced to dump it.
Unfortunately, the only alternative for that milk that is aging out in 3 days is to use it as fertilizer.
Many may question why the milk can't be donated, but Eade says it's not that easy.
We can't donate it to anyone in a 6,000-gallon tanker. It's raw milk. It needs to be pasteurized, homogenized, standardized, and jugged. That process takes a lot of money.
Eade and his family are feeling the impact of COVID-19 in more ways than one, as a farm and as a small business. Without a big employer to lean on, he says they have to be extra cautious.
We can't get sick. If we get sick, that is our only livelihood.
The creamery is still finding new ways to serve their dedicated customers every day.
We've gone to curbside service. We've actually gone to home delivery twice a week, and we've started packaging some fluid milk.
And with the farm still recovering from Hurricane Michael, Eade says he knows they will be able to get through this too.
If it's a Category 5 storm, we didn't miss a milking. We kept going. If it's an international pandemic, you keep going.
In Mariana, Faith Graham, News 13, Panhandle Strong.